how to retire early through real estate investment. So have you been dreaming of retiring early? Tired of the daily grind of your office cubicle, office politics, getting on Zoom call, and you want to trade that to sitting under the palm tree, volunteering, traveling? Well, early retirement may be the call. It may seem like a distant fantasy, but what if I told you real estate investing could be your ticket to financial freedom? Yes. In today's video, I will unveil the secrets to using real estate to achieve early retirement and live the life you've always dreamed of. Your life of easy and voluntary and traveling. Hi, this is KG. I'm a realtor in Maryland, DC, and Virginia, and thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell, drop me a comment, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you, drop me a comment. So if you're looking to buy, sell, invest in real estate in the DMV area, let's connect. This is what I do every day. So you want to retire early and you want to know how to do this using real estate. Well, you are in for a treat. Real estate offers a unique combination of benefits that can accelerate your path to early retirement. Remember, starting early is the key. The first thing you have to understand is the passive income generation. When you use real estate, you can have rental properties that provide steady stream of income. Yes. Supplementing your salary and your social security. This will help you build your retirement nest egg. So the money you're getting, you can invest it right away. The second one is the appreciation potential. So over time, when you buy a property, over time, the value of your properties can increase, boosting your overall net worth. If you hold a property for 5, 10, 15 years, it will boost your overall net worth. Third advantage is the tax advantage that comes with investing with real estate. So real estate comes with you having deduction for depreciation, for repairs, property taxes. This will lower your tax burden. Even while you have this property, it will lower your tax burden. So does it sound too good to be true? No, it's not. Real estate investment requires planning, effort, and the right guidance, right? Planning, effort, and the right guidance. So, but with the proper knowledge and the strategic approach, I'm stressing strategic approach, it can be a powerful tool achieving financial freedom. Don't subscribe to all this get rich quick scheme. It's not going to work. This takes time. Starting early and being focused is the key. When you start early, you focus is the key. So there are things that I want you to consider if you're thinking about it. You want to define your goals and your risk tolerance. Know your numbers is very important, because you are a unique person. You know what it is that you want to achieve. So know your numbers. So before diving in, determine your desired retirement age, 50, 45, your target income, how much you want to be having when you retire, and your risk tolerance. Every investment involves risk. This will guide your investment strategy. So you want to have these things written down. It's a good idea to have them written down so that you can revisit them often as you progress in your real estate investment journey. Don't be like, just do it out of the whims. You want to have it written down. Second is also to explore investment options, for rental properties, Do you want to buy and rent single family homes, apartment buildings? You want to consider various property types. Condo, think about the condo fee. Single family house is in a pod development, multi-unit buildings, big building or mid-sized building, or even vacation rentals, Airbnb. Each has its own advantage and disadvantage, and you want to put this in consideration. Third is location. I mean, real estate is about location. Location matters, and you really thoroughly want to research different markets. You don't want to be just in your local area, right? You want to look at other areas, especially if your local area is the affordability is so high right now. So you want to look for areas with strong rental demand, stable job market, and potential for appreciation. And how do you do this? I'm going to talk about it in a minute. 4, secure financing and consider having a team that will help you. A strong team of experts is very crucial. You want to be loyal to your team. One of the people that you want to have in your team is an experienced and qualified realtor that can help you find the properties, navigate negotiation, and understand local market trends. When you're loyal to a realtor, they will feed you good deals. So you want to do that. The 5th is you want to become a savvy landlord. If you're buying houses to rent, you want to become a savvy landlord. Even if you're going to get a rental management company, you still want to learn about tenant screening, property maintenance, and effective management practices to maximize your return on investments and minimize headache. You don't want people to call you 2 a.m. That's not where you're investing. So, real estate investing for early retirement is a journey. It's not something that you just get to overnight. It's a journey. And there will be challenges along the way. Hey, I can tell you all the challenges I've been experiencing. But, with the right knowledge, a strategic plan, and the support of qualified realtors and your team, you can really turn your dream of early retirement into a reality. So if this is what you want to do, first thing you want to really do is partner with a real estate expert, because finding that right property, securing financing, and navigating the legality can be overwhelming to do by yourself, because you want to think about different localities, rent control, and that can really reduce how much you're going to make. So you want to really know what we're talking about here. Talk to an experienced realtor in a local market that will guide you through every step of the process. Very, very important. So are you ready to take that step? In the comments below, share your thoughts on early retirement through real estate. Are you doing it? Are you planning to do it? Real estate investment, this is the way to go. What are your biggest questions about getting started? That is always a problem. Getting started is always one of the hurdles. But once you get started, hey, sky is the limit. So listen, let's connect to get started. If you're interested in investing in real estate, I do this every day of the week. Renter, flip, just name it. Real estate investment is the way to go. Take your first step towards financial freedom. Don't let your dream of early retirement stay a dream. Unlock the potential of real estate investment and start building your path, your wealth to financial freedom. So this is KG. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. Drop me a comment. Thank you for watching. And remember, like I said, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest to get out of the rat race, contact me and let's get it done. Ciao.